The Jimmy rigging of the Israeli father fixing the Winter Warrior Lamborghini. Hockey tape, sock tape to put this together. Technicians, fluent technician glow rod to run wires through the walls to get things through. And this one I actually think I broke the clips. So we're gonna have to Jimmy rig it. Did I compliment you too early? Because where is that pipe? Push it from the bottom of this.
This one?
No, from the bottom of this hole. Keep it that way. Yes, angle it. No.
It doesn't go. It's empty. It doesn't go here. You have to go up.
Keep going.
One eternity later.
Oh, I got it. I think I have it. Pull it back.
Let me see.
A little bit. Yeah, you try. It's there. I think you got to pull it back a little.
Now you can pull it with the plier.
Can you go back? Go back a bit. More, a bit. More. 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 Okay, stop. Okay. Now push.
There we go.
Okay.
Sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Don't pull. Let me connect this. Uh-oh.
Did it just break?
Something made a noise, right?
No, made a noise when it clicks. When it catches.
No, right
It
after.
sounded like something fell.
But it's still tight. The question is if...
I guess we'll find out.
If the pipe is connected. Was it? We do it?
No, it's broken. The clip. I sure hope that will hold. It would suck. So now, let's see if...
Let's see if it goes straight to the
No,
right
let's
place.
see if it sprays water.
No, let's see if it goes to the right place first.
So, see this? They had zip ties.
We can have zip ties.
Yeah.
Lamborghini had zip ties?
Yeah,
Oh
but
my.
they had them done so perfect. So before we close it, let's just see that. Close the hood and let's see that it sprays water.
Oh, body line. No. Except for up here, you're gonna need to adjust this body line. Because see how it's higher?
Yeah. Maybe that's the bolt.
Yeah, maybe it just needs to be tighter. But other than that, like,
This is a bit higher.
is it? A little
Huh?
bit, yeah. Just the body lines. That side's good though. This side is just a little bit high.
Echt tough, no?
How do you straighten it?
I don't know.
Before, let's
Maybe the bolt there, the bolt that you bought from Home Depot. noise.
Well, we did it. It works.
Okay, we understood. Okay. This is much more professional.
Okay. Can I close?
Yeah, gently. You don't put the paint?
No. That's not normal.
Okay.
Did it get better or worse?
I think it got worse. No. I don't know.
This, did you tighten?
What?
That's tight?
Yeah.
We're completed our garage operation, installing the 1016 carbon hood. Took us what, about 2-3 hours. Had to get a couple bolts, but everything looks phenomenal. And just now the second part is going to be a bigger challenge, replacing this bumper and getting rid of the winter scar and getting a forged carbon bumper that is packed behind there. But I think we're gonna go into a shop. But yeah, we'll stay tuned and show you that as well.